This is my home. The most boring place in the world, FYI. Who's there? Who's in my home? Who are you?
It's Jim. It's Jim from the office. You know?
I'm Kathy, the one that said no more bills.
What? See this one? This very special one is from those shoes that you got last year. Let me see that, please.
No more bills, Jim.
This is fashionable.
Get out of my house. Get out of my room. Get out of my way. Sent you, Jim. That was an interruption. Weird. Never heard of bills coming to you by a person.